You are not going viral because you are not using these sound effects. These are meme sound effects. UI tech sound effects. Transition sound effects. Cinematic sound effects. Action sound effects. Want the link of all? Just comment below.